So I'm going to show you in today's video how to open the frunk of your Tesla. So just open the Tesla app, and then the frunk opening should be one of the main buttons of the four that are there. If not, you can always rearrange them, so hold one of them, and then there is multiple other options that you can add there, like the horn, flash, vent. So the one which is for frunk, I always have in the main area. So you just drag that upwards, and then you can have that in the main for quick kind of shortcut buttons. So you should see there it says front. So that's the one which you're going to need to press in order to open the frunk. So I'm going to press it. And you can see the frunk opens. All you have to do from this point is just pull it upwards. There is actually an emergency button. The Tesla website says that if you're locked inside, it doesn't advise, lying inside the trunk, but if for any reason you end up inside there is an emergency button just here. It has a symbol of the frunk on it as well, but you can't see it because of the light. But if you press that button, it can unlock from the inside. There is another method of opening the frunk if you have like a flat battery. I'll get onto that in a second. Just closing the frunk, you'd have to put your two hands beside the badge in order to close it properly. So don't just use one hand, and don't kind of do it just in the middle or just on one side. So two hands to close from either side is how you close the frunk. And then in order to, let's say you need to open your frunk but the car has no voltage power, in that case what you would need to do is this little toe, it's called a toe eye cover. You would press the top right perimeter until it kind of pivots inwards, and then once you've clipped that off, like I've shown in this kind of image here, use some kind of external low voltage power supply like a portable jump starter. Pull the wires out of the toe eye opening to expose the terminals. Connect the red positive cable to the red positive terminal. Connect the black negative cable to the black negative terminal. And then once you turn on the external power supply, the frunk latches are immediately released, and then you can just lift up the frunk hood. So that's in a very rare case where the Tesla has no voltage power, and let's say you need to get something out from the frunk. That's how you would do it, but it's a very rare circumstance that that would happen. If you have any questions about any of this, leave them in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching.